everyone. I'm welcoming you all with this beautiful view from our building's rooftop. We as a human being, we all try to postpone most of our things for tomorrow. Like for example, I will be working out from tomorrow. I will be eating healthy from tomorrow. As an aspirant, I guess I do mostly that I will be giving mock from tomorrow. I will be giving sectional mock from tomorrow. I'll be studying current affairs from tomorrow on regular basis. But it's never the opposite that okay, I will be starting from today itself. But to be honest, we all know that we don't know about tomorrow, what will happen tomorrow, because there may be certain conditions or certain uncertainties which we all don't know. So why wait for tomorrow when we can do the things today itself? For example, why to work out from tomorrow when we can do that from today just by walking in our home for 10 to 15 minutes? Why to wait for tomorrow to eat healthy when we can eat healthy at our home from today itself just by cutting on sugar, salt, or there are many other things? And as an aspirant, why wait for tomorrow to give a sectional test which is just 10 minutes and 25 questions which we can just do right now? Because we all know that we spend most of our time in our social media or in doom scrolling, but we don't see time there. But when it's time for our own benefit or for our own health or for our own benefit, then we just say that okay, I will do from tomorrow. So I'm also not different from you all. I'm also the same, but I'm trying to improve that, because we all know that the exam seasons are coming, especially for SSC, and CGL is also nearby. You all must be thinking that why I'm bringing up this topic. Actually, yesterday me and my friend were talking about CGL examination only, and we both are weak in maths. So we were just talking about maths, then suddenly I was just scrolling in YouTube and I saw 7 hour 30 minutes video lectures. That was a geometry marathon by Aditya Ranjan sir, and I thought okay, he has just posted this video recently for RRB Group D, and obviously I'm not giving any RRB Group D exam, but the questions are obviously and will be related to SSC, CGL, or for any other upcoming exam. So I thought why not practice from this. And to be honest, we all know that 7 hour 30 minutes is a huge number to do this video in one day, and I just started doing it around 11 p.m. and today is same 11 p.m. and I thought that it will take me around 2 to 3 days to complete this lecture. And I'm very happy to share that I have completed this marathon, and I didn't thought that I will be able to complete this task so early, and I just have to revise or go through once, and I guess I will be done with geography. And to be honest, after doing this series or after doing this marathon, I was very confident in geometry that I will be able to solve. Obviously there are many other things which I have to go through again, but to complete this task was a big thing in my mind. So I would just like to say that we should not postpone things for tomorrow. We should just start, because we all know that we just need an initial push, and if we just start doing something, the interest build in us and we just enjoy doing that process. And if we complete the task which we were initially postponing for tomorrow, it just feels very happy. We should not shy away from initiating a thing, but we should definitely feel shy for postponing things for tomorrow.